Hello, 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 it's Dolly with Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. This is layout number 4, and these are the items that I selected out of my December kit. Just let me tell you that yes, my voice is straining, and it sounds like I have a cold, which I do have a cold, but I also am getting over strep throat, which I came down with on Christmas Eve. Can you believe that? But anyway, these layouts are complete. I have about 4 layouts that I've completed that I need to do the voiceover, so I have to do them. So excuse me if I have to clear my throat so that I can continue to talk. And it really hurts, but I got to do this for you guys. I can't let you down. And plus, the layouts are complete. All right, so you're going to see me trim off branding strips of these papers, and my base paper is the 12 by 12, and then I cut 2 larger papers as part of my not embellishment. What am I trying to think? See, and I'm sick and I can't even think, but anyway, paper layering. So I cut larger papers for paper layering. I'm going to map my photograph with this striped paper here, and I think that's an Echo Park paper as well. If you need to know all the papers that I'm using for this layout, please go to my kit reveal that was posted December 2nd, and I let you know all the papers that I'm using, the names of the collections of the papers that I'm using, so that you'll know. So you'll need to go back to that December 2nd video. I'm going to take this earthy yellow paper, which I know is from Cartabella, I just don't remember the line, and I'm going to cut a banner. Yeah, believe it or not, a banner. Because if you've been following me, you know I don't like to cut, I should rephrase it, I don't like to cut fishtail banners. But I do for this layout. And why I'm a little bit ahead of myself, let me remind you that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below so that you can go check out what they created for week 4, which is posted December 30th. All right, I grabbed a black tab there, or tag, I'm sorry, a tag, and place that at the top to give a pop and have your eye draw to the top. And this picture is of my sister-in-law's side of the family, and from the inspiration piece, the photo inspiration is travel. So this is their travels, my sister and brother-in-law's travels from Thanksgiving of 2018 when they went to Florida and met up with all of my sister-in-law's side of the family, her nieces and brothers and her sister-in-laws, and they went to the FSU game. And so that's why my title is Hello Everlasting FSU Ladies. And now you're just seeing me add some more paper layers behind my photograph, and then I'm going to add my title here. So I'm going to take it off. It's not wax paper that I'm using. I'm actually using the cover over when you get your your stickers, you know, that plastic covering. That's what I used. Excuse me. All right, let's see. So I have the word hello came from Felicity Jane, and they call that like a rubber charm. All right, the gold thickers are from American Crafts called Splendid. That green puffy sticker that you see under the hello, that is from Illustrated Faith Bella Boulevard. And then this word ladies is, it's been in my stash for a long time, this kind of a pinkish red color, and it came out with Amy Tan's line. I want to say 3 or 4 years ago, where she made these real thin alphas. So anyway, that's what's going on right there with my title. All right, these handful of die cuts are from Pink Fresh Studio, and I think it's a travel line, but I don't remember the name. Like I said before, you need to go to my kit reveal that was posted December 2nd to learn all the manufacturers and collection lines that I use to pull this kit together. All right, while you watch me layer up all these die cuts, let me make an announcement on behalf of Mini Kit Monday. Starting in January, we're going to have 2 individual guests that are going to participate with the Mini Kit Monday ladies. That means they're going to put their kit together. They're going to create videos and post them along with us and add our links, and we're going to add their links. And we're going to have 2 guests each month, so they're going to be different. All right, so you want to make sure, if you are new to my channel, that you are a subscriber and that you click the bell button so you receive notification, because we want you to go check out these other guest ladies. There's going to be 10 in total. We're going to do this from January to June, and we want you, some are going to be new to YouTube, really new, and some are not, and you may not be aware of their talents and their styles. So you want to make sure that you come check us out, subscribe to their channel, show them some love, give them a thumbs up. All right, now back to my layout here. You saw me use my fingernail and rough that one layer, that's that terracotta color, and then I use the mustard gold from Nuva. The Nuva drops is called Crystal Drops, and I'm adding them to the upper left-hand corner, then around this die cut, and then down by the word that says ladies. It's a beautiful gold. I know when you would see the word mustard, you would think, ooh, that must be not a very pretty gold, but it is a gorgeous gold. So if you like Nuva drops and you don't have that color, you should get it. All right? And then my layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. And I'm getting ready to lose my voice again. I apologize, and we'll see you later. Bye.